Hello everyone. Good morning student. Dear students, in previous class we take and revise a very important chapter of your NC of your syllabus, which is what? Triangle. Today we also take the same chapter triangle, and dear students, we take and solve some important questions of your NCERT exercise based on the same topic. Okay, now dear students, let us take a very important questions based on triangle and we simplify them. Let's see. We take a very important question, and your question is, in a triangle ABC, in a triangle ABC, okay? In a triangle ABC, AD perpendicular to BC, AD perpendicular to BC, and AD square is equal to BD into CD. BD into CD, okay? In a triangle ABC, dear friends, in a triangle ABC, AD perpendicular to BC, okay? AD perpendicular to BC, and AD square is equal to BD into CD. Prove that triangle ABC. Prove that triangle ABC. Prove that triangle ABC is a right triangle. Is a the right angle triangle. This is a very important question, dear friends. Okay. Now let's see. For right angle triangle, the square of any sides, the square of a side is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides. This is the conditions for any right angle triangle, है ना? तो we, dear friend, we apply the same concept in that questions. Okay, let's see its solution. Let's see its solution. Here in a triangle ABC, in a triangle, first of all we draw a triangle ABC. Let's see. We draw a triangle ABC, okay, in which AD perpendicular to BC, and according to question, dear friend, we draw a line segment AD which is perpendicular to BC. Okay, now let's see. If we draw AD perpendicular to BC. Okay, now just need to prove that the triangle ABC is a right triangle. We have to show that. Now different. Now from figure, AD is perpendicular to BC, and now in triangle, in right angle triangle ADB, we have now in triangle ADB. This is your what? Hypotenuse. This is what? Hypotenuse. That is AD square. AB square is equal to what? AD square plus BD square. Take equation number 1. Take equation number what? 1. Similarly, in triangle ADC. Okay. Similarly, dear friends. Similarly, in triangle ADC. Similarly, in triangle ADC, we have what? This is your hypotenuse is AC square is equal to, okay, this is AC square is equal to what? AD square plus CD square. Take equation number 2. Now let's see this one. Now we adding equation 1 and 2. Now we adding equation 1 and 2. Okay, let's see. AC, this is AB. Okay, now adding equation 1 and 2, we get, let's see, this is 1, this is 2. So this is AB square plus AC square. AB square plus AC square is equal to AB square is what this? This is what? AD square plus BD square plus AC square is what this? Means AD square plus CD square. AD square plus CD square. Now we get as we have as AD square plus AC square is equal to. Let's see dear friends here AD. Now let's see here. This is AD square. This is AD square. So AD square plus AD square means 2AD square. Okay. So here we write 2 times AD square. Now what I do? Now we write BD square and CD square as it is. Now we write BD square plus CD square as it is. Okay, so now using we have since we have AD square is equal to what? AD square is equal to what? BD into CD. Now we have BD into CD, na? Yes. Now let's see. We have to put the value of AD square. So we get as AB square plus AC square is equal to 2 times the value of AD square is what? BD into CD. Okay. Plus BD square plus CD square. No, now we put the value of AD square. Now let's see. Now this is the formula for what? A square plus B square plus 2AB. This is the value of this. ABD is suppose the A. This is B. So BD square plus CD square plus 2 times BD into CD. This is the formula for what? A plus B whole square. So we can write here friends here AB square plus AC square is equal to what? A square plus BD plus CD. Okay. So we can write BD plus CD whole square. Now from figure we get the value of BD plus CD. The value of BD plus CD is what? That is BC. So we write as what? We have as what? AB square plus AC square is equal to what? BC square, which is what? BC square. Hence proof. Thus just ABC is a right angle triangle at B. Right angle at which of the opposite side of right angle is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse, this is hypotenuse square equal to the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square of other two sides. Thus in this way we can say that triangle ABC in this variation thus triangle ABC is a right angle triangle at B. Right angle at A. Okay, hence proof. Okay, thus dear student, this is the very important question of your syllabus. So please, dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Because of all that questions are very important for you and your upcoming examination. Now, dear students, we take and solve some other important question based on right angle triangle. Let's see, dear students. Now let's see the question. In the given figure, ABC is a right triangle. In the given figure, the question is, in the given figure, okay, this one. In the given figure, ABC is a right triangle. ABC is is a right triangle. ABC is a right triangle, right angled at B. Right angle and B. And point D and E. Okay, dear friends, and point D and E, and point D and E trisect BC. Trisect BC. Okay, and the point D and E trisect what? BC. Prove that prove that 8 into AE square 8 into AE square is equal to 3 into AC square plus 3 into what? AC square plus 5 into AD square. This is the question here. Now let's see its solution. Dear student, this is the very important question of your syllabus. And first of all, you have the triangle figure is what? Let's see. Here ABC is a right angle. Okay, dear students, here let's see. ABC is a right angle. Okay, and right angle tan B means angle B is tan B. Okay, and D and E are trisect BC. Okay, trisect BC means D and E. Point here. Now we join and here. AD and A are there. Okay. Now here points D and A trisect BC. That is trisect BC means what? BD is equal to AD is equal to BC. That is BD is equal to DE is equal to EC. Take as X. Say. Okay. Suppose that we take as BD is equal to D is equal to EC. Means take X. Says that X. Okay, dear students. Now let's see. Now in triangle ABE. Okay. Now in triangle ABE. This is the hypotenuse A square. So first of all we find the value of A square, then after we find the value of AC square, then after we find the value of AD square. Okay, dear students. Now let's see here. Now in triangle ABE. In triangle ABE is what? A square is equal to AD square plus BE square. AD square plus BE square. Now A square is equal to AB square plus, let's see, the value of base BE is what? We take as E is equal to X, no? E is equal to X. So the value of BE is what? X plus X, it means what? 2X. The value of BE is what? 2X. So here we put as what? 2X whole square. Okay. Now this is A square is equal to AB square plus 2 to the, this is 4 into X square. 4 into X square. Okay, dear students. Now we take equation number 1. Now also we find the value of AC square. Now for AC square we take triangle ABC. Now in triangle ABC we get. Now let's see, for triangle ABC, for that triangle AC is your hypotenuse. AC is what? Your hypotenuse, na? And the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square of other two sides. So that is AC square is equal to AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. That is, now the value of BC is what? BC is what? X plus X plus X. That is what? 3X. So here we put as AC square is equal to AD square. We write as it is. Plus BC square is equal to this 3X square. So now we get as what? AC square is equal to AB square plus 3 is 9x square. Equation number 2. Now also we find AD square. Dear students, for finding the value of AD square, we must take the triangle ABD. Okay, now in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, AD square is equal to AB square is equal to AB square plus BD square is equal. Now that is AD square is equal to AB is what? Write as it is plus BD square. BD, the value of BD is what? X. The value of BD is what? X. So here we write as X equal. Take equation number 3. Dear friends, in this way we find all the values as AE square, AC square and AD square. Now what I do, now we take right hand side of the given result. Okay, let's see. Thus well, we take R as 3 AC square plus 5 AD square. Okay, so we get as what? 3 into AC square. So 3 into AC square means what? 3 into the value of AC square is what? AB square plus 9x square plus 5 AD square. So 5 into AD is what? The value of AD square is what? AB square plus x square. So here we write what? AB square plus x square. Now we multiply them. So we get 3 into AB square plus 3 9 are 27x square plus 5 into AB square plus 5 into x square. Okay. So this is 5 into x square. Now let's see. This is AB square, this is AB square. This is 8 into AB square plus 27. This is 32 x square. Now we take 8 as common, so we get as what? AB square plus 4x square. Now using equation 1. Now let's see. Using equation 1, the value of AB square plus 4x square. The value of AB square plus 4x square is what? The value of AB square plus 4x square is what? AE square. So thus we get as what? 8 into AE square. Hence proved out this result. Okay, dear students. So this is a very important question of your syllabus. So please, dear students, do more and more practices of that type of question. After that, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay, dear students. Now, dear students, we take and solve some other important question based on of your NCERT exercise, which is very important for you and your upcoming examination. Let's see, dear students. Now let's see, dear students, in an equilateral triangle. Okay, the question is in an equilateral triangle with side A. Okay, with with side A. ठीक, prove that prove that prove that first its altitude, prove that its altitude a root 3 upon 2 into a, okay, and second one is area root 3 by 4 into sine square. This is the question here, okay. So this is a very important question of your syllabus, okay. Now let's see its solution. So first of all, we draw an equilateral triangle, and you know that for any equilateral triangle all of its sides are equal and each angle is equal to 60 degree. This is the concept of an equilateral triangle. So first of all, we draw an equilateral triangle as ABC, in which with side A. So each of its sides be what? A. This is A, this is A, and this is A. Okay. We have to show the altitude. So first of all, dear friends, we draw AD as the altitude. Okay. So let ABC is an equilateral triangle in which AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. Okay, in which AD is perpendicular to BC. Now, and for this triangle, AD bisects BC. That is, BD is equal to CD is equal to A by 2. So this is A by 2 and this is also A by 2. Okay, because of the altitude drawn from a vertex of an equilateral triangle to its opposite sides bisects the opposite sides. Okay, bisects the opposite side. Okay. Now, dear students, in triangle ADB, we apply the Pythagoras theorem because we find the altitude now, and for that triangle, this is the altitude AD. This is what altitude or height of an equilateral triangle. So we for finding the altitude of that triangle now we take the triangle ADB, in which angle D is equal to 90 degree. Thus, by Pythagoras theorem, let's see. You know that the Pythagoras theorem is what? The key hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square of its base and its perpendicular. So according to that concept, we apply the same formula. Okay, now let's see. This is AD square is equal to, this is the hypotenuse for that triangle, and this is base as BD square, the altitude as what? AD square. Okay. Now for finding the altitude, so we write AD square is equal to what? AD square minus BD square. AD square minus BD square. Now let's see. Now let's see. AD square is equal to AB is what? AB is A. So we write as A square minus BD is what? A by 2. So we write A by 2 square. Okay. Now we put the values of AB and BD in that relation. So now we simplify them. We get what? A square minus A square by 2 to the. So now therefore we take as 8 square 4 as LCM. Okay, we take 4 as LCM, so we get about 4A square minus A square is equal to 3A square by 4. Thus in this way we find the value of AD. The value of AD is what? AD square is 3A square by 4. That is the value of AD is what? That is the value of AD is what? In square root 3 into A square by 4. 3 into A square by 4. 3 into A square by 4. Here A is what? Here A is the side of that each side of that equilateral triangle. Now here from that serves we take A as 2 as common. Okay, so we get root 3 right as it is. The square root of 4 is what? 2, so we take 2 as common, and this is square, so we take A as common. Now thus the altitude is AD is what? Root 3 by 2 into side. Hence proved. Okay, dear student, thus in this way, dear student, we prove the first result, which is very, let's see once more time. First of all, for proving that result, we draw an equilateral triangle ABC. Okay, and in the given question, we already given the side of each of its side be A unit. Each of its side be A unit is given from in our question. Now for that question, this is each side of the square, and this is A by 2, this is also A by 2. So for that triangle we apply, now we know that if we draw AD perpendicular to BC, then for an equilateral triangle the perpendicular drawn from our set vertex to its opposite side bisects the opposite sides. So we get as BD is equal to CD, which is equal to A by 2 and A by 2. Okay. Now we apply the right Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras property in triangle ADB, and hence we get the altitude AD, which is root 3 by 2 into A. This is our required result. Now similarly we solve the second part of this question. Let's see. Let's see. For second part of this question, we know that area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height. This is the common formula for the area of triangle ABC. That is, from that figure ABC, area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 upon 2. Base is what? ABC. Base is what? BC, and height or altitude is what? AD into AD. This is the formula for that. Means the area of that triangle is 1 upon 2 base into height. Now we put the value as BC as what? A, and altitude is defined as this. So root 3 by 2 into A. So we get what? Root 3 upon 2 to the 4, A into A, that is A square. Thus hence proved. Thus in this way we prove the area of an equilateral triangle of side A is what? Root 3 by 4 into side square. Okay, dear student. Thus, dear students, in this way, in today's class, we take and revise a very important chapter of your syllabus, which is what? Triangle. So please, dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. Okay. After that, you complete your NCERT exercise. Okay. Now, dear students, in next class, we take and solve some other important questions based on triangle and solve your NCERT exercise. Okay, dear students. Now, thanks to all.